Google Play Store Cleanup, why you should remove certain apps. Google is on a mission to tidy up the Play Store, and the changes are more significant than many of us anticipated. Just days after a report raised alarms about the rising threats to mobile devices, Google has confirmed that it's taking serious action to enhance the quality of apps available on its platform. Last year, the tech giant announced a new standard for apps wanting to enter and stay in the Play Store. This initiative is all about quality, meaning that apps that don't meet the necessary benchmarks for performance, usability, reliability, and overall usefulness are at risk of being removed. It's a bold move aimed at ensuring that users have access to only the best apps. But why is this so crucial? Well, many low-quality apps can also pose significant risks. While they might not contain malware themselves, they can lead users into dangerous situations once installed. Think of them as empty shells that could hide malicious intent. Recent data reveals the extent of this cleanup. According to TechCrunch, the number of apps in the Android marketplace has plummeted from approximately 3.4 million to around 1.8 million since the beginning of 2024, a staggering decline of about 47%. Meanwhile, the Apple App Store has seen an increase in the number of apps, indicating that this isn't just a global trend affecting all platforms. Google has been clear about the types of apps it's targeting for removal. They include those that are static and lack app-specific functionalities, such as simple text or PDF file apps, as well as those with minimal content that fail to engage users, like single wallpaper apps. It's evident that there were thousands of such apps cluttering the store. Now, here's the important part for users: if an app gets deleted from the Play Store, it won't vanish from your device immediately. Google has stated that while the app will no longer be available for download, you can continue using it if it's already installed. However, you won't be able to update it. If you decide to uninstall the app, you won't be able to re-download it unless the developer manages to republish it on Google Play. This means that even if an app isn't inherently dangerous, any security vulnerabilities it has won't be fixed by the developer. So, what should you do? If you notice that certain apps can no longer be updated and are missing from the store, it's wise to remove them from your device as well. On average, users have between 80 to 100 apps on their phones, and keeping those that have been cut loose by the operating system could expose you to unnecessary risks. The silver lining? Any subscriptions tied to those apps will cease, along with their ability to connect to Google's billing systems. In short, it's time to take a closer look at the apps on your phone and ensure you're not holding on to any that could pose a risk to your security.